Hi guys, good morning, 13th of October 2017, and what a beautiful run-up Nifty has given. What a beautiful run-up Nifty gave yesterday and today, both the days. Beautiful, beautiful run-up. And as Nifty is going up, I think all the members, those who have done webinar with me, we are about 200 plus members. We had a good party. We had an extremely good 2 days. Every single person has minted money. So, I will show you all their emails and I will show you what kind of profits they have made. But before that, I want to talk about Nifty and I want to talk about, all the stocks. So this is Nifty, right? Nifty is, see the double bottom, the skewed double bottom. It's really looking nice to me. And when I was making my video yesterday here, I was saying it looks to me a huge resistance. But when I said I looked into the option chain, it looked pretty promising to me. Option chain was very promising. So, and then I told you that if with momentum, if it crosses, see here, I'll make it a little bigger. If Nifty crossed its 50 moving average with momentum, this momentum was needed. This big candle was needed, Had this candle been a small, Nifty may have not seen this kind of a run up coming up, right? So what really was required was this momentum. This big candle was needed, and the moment this came up, after that there's a huge bull run that has been continuing. Okay. So as I told you yesterday, this is Nifty. Now let's analyze Nifty. Now let's predict future. What holds in future? What's happening right now? So to predict that, we'll go to the pivot points. These are the pivot points. Now see here, it definitely opened way above the pivot point. Can you see this? This was a huge gap up opening, and with momentum, it crossed the first R1. When it crossed the momentum with first R1, it took a good support for about 1 hour on pivot point, and then after that Nifty has gone up, right? Now the second run up will only come when this second barrier, which is R2, is broken with momentum, right? If this is broken with momentum, Nifty definitely is going to cross 10,198. Now let's do one more thing. We will go to its cash, and in cash we will see what's happening in 1 day. I'm going to convert this into my setup, which is StockPro chart, and I'm going to make this 1 day and see what was happening in the past. Now see, almost it has crossed its previous resistance, which was 10,132. Now the next resistance is 10,180. We are at 10,160. If this resistance, which is 10,182, is crossed with momentum, I can tell you the next stopover is going to be another 100 points. So there is nobody can stop Nifty's movement up till about 10,300, right? Before Diwali. That is what I believe. And hopefully it should be able to touch that, because it's just 140 points below. If not in cash futures, I definitely believe it should be able to do that, right? And to understand that, let's go to its option chain. Let's go to the Nifty's option chain and see what's happening here. See the unwinding happening till 10,100. That means it is not going to break in the recent future 10,100, no matter what. Where is it the call writing happening? See here, the call writing is highest level is 10,300. That is why it looks very promising to be reaching the goal of 10,300. And where is the bottom that is being sealed for the Nifty? It's out here. 10,100 only is 200, right? Of course, we have not yet reached there, but 10,100 is only the bottom. So the range is going to be between 10,100 to 10,300. That is going to be the range of Nifty for the next couple of days, or maybe for the next week. Fine. So this is how Nifty looks. Very promising to me. I mean, I can feel very positive spurts that will come up in Nifty now. Okay, so if Nifty crosses this barrier, which is going to be its 1, 2 and third peak, then Nifty definitely has a good run up coming up, right? So let me now take you to the stock. We had, as I told you, I've told you can refer my videos 3 videos back. I said we are finding HDFC very, very nice, very, very promising. Can you see the support that it has taken? Can you see the support that it has taken? I told about it on this day, which is on 10th of October. You can refer my video of 10th of October. It looked very promising to me, right? And because it looked so promising to me, we have taken 1820 call. And every single member of my webinar, right? We are about 200 of us together. Everybody had a Diwali way before Diwali. Like Diwali is another, today is 13th and Diwali is on 19th, about a week ahead, We have had good Diwali today. I'm going to show you some of the snapshots, but just give me a second. Just give me a second before I do that. So there is this member, Mukesh Kumar. I mean, I can't read all the 200, members' appreciation, but I'm reading a few. He says the whole webinar was great. Learned a lot in these classes. Had little knowledge of moving averages, but never trusted them. Had little knowledge of moving averages, but never trusted them. As looked very simple concept. However, with StockPro webinar, got to know how powerful the system is. Learned many more things along with moving averages. Thanks a lot for sharing your knowledge and experience, ma'am. Here is my first profit snapshot attached, and see the profits 5,500. Right? Now I'm going to show you a few more. Right? So same HDFC Bank 1820 call. How much is the cost? How much is the price? How much is the profit? Member has got 6,575. I'm going to show you many more. Just notice the call value, 1820 call. We have taken only, there is this member, 1820 call, 15,000 rupees profit, right? But rest all are also in profit, TCS call and IndusInd Bank call, right? But look at HDFC call, 1820 call. We have given this specifically to all our members. One call and you recover all the money. Right? Then see another member. This member has just bought 500, one lot. The other member has bought 2 lots. So depending upon lots, members have booked their profit. This is another member, right? Another member has got 1 lot of 1820 call and MRPL. This also we gave yesterday, right? Another member, HDFC Bank 1820 call, Reliance 9 whatever call, IndusInd Bank this call. All these are the calls that we have given to our members, right? And you can see the amount of profit, 18,765. This is the total profit. And I'm going to show you a few more. So here this member says his name is Vineet. Thanks a lot. I'm glad to have chosen to join the webinar. Got to learn a lot about how to identify and trade for positional trades and be consistently profitable. Even in intraday morning trades, finding which stock will fly worked really well. We'll be practicing the same now, and no one can beat you in finding positional F&O trades to get huge profits. Thanks once again. I would recommend the course in the traders WhatsApp group. I am part of it. So this is how members have written their appreciation. This is another member. What has he written? For everybody who wants to trade in Indian stock market, 3 points. 3 important things he should do. First, open a demat account, subscribe to StockPro YouTube channel and enroll StockPro webinar. I'm doing trading since September 2016. I didn't had any strategy. I had never heard of moving averages until I watched StockPro. After watching YouTube videos and Telegram trades, I was convinced and joined the webinar. Now I have a clear vision to how to approach trade, when and when not to enter and exit in a trade. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Most webinar members would already have recovered their investment, so it's just learning free of cost. Look at his profit, 6,800. Same 1820 call, right? Everywhere members. So wait a second. So let me once again show you more. This is This is this, hold it for a second. So this is another member who's got 5,500 profit. See, another member, 19,373 rupees profit. So this is how each and every member has, I have showed you this email, right? So this is how each and every member has actually earned money. And this is Ganesh. He's written that I'm not good with writing sentence, but he says I have attended many courses, but now I can say my destination has come. I saw how much you take care of all of us for solving small queries. Lastly, I can say for all newcomers, please join StockPro if you seriously want to, share market, trade in the share market. Thanks, ma'am, once again for your wonderful support. And you can see his profits, 19,373. So this is, it's what all the members are talking about, and this is an opportunity you all also have. All right, so let me go back to my platform. We have to sit a bit more cautiously with Nifty now, because see, whenever it goes up, there has to be some profit booking, because people would like to withdraw money, because for the couple of days it went down, and then again it's getting an opportunity. So people those who have bought at the bottom would definitely like to book profit. Even my members, one of the members have got 30,000 rupees. Let me just see if I could find his email. Just give me a second. So see, this is what he has also done. He has bought 2 lots of HDFC 1820 call, and he has got 17,550. And because I've been, one major part of my webinar is Nifty, so he has also taken Nifty call and he has made 18,828. Of course, this I did not recommend. He's bought himself, but this was my recommendation. And see, the total profits in last couple of days is 36,378. So this is the power of the technicals. This is the power of learning, and this is the power of understanding when to enter, when to exit. And we teach every single aspect of market, whether it is, option, this is future, this is open interest, this is, talking about the technicals, this is talking about demand and supply. Every single aspect of market we teach. So, I feel very proud that these 200 people nobody can cheat them. No broker, no person who's giving recommendation can cheat them. And if you want to learn, you join my webinar. So what if Diwali will pass by? You celebrate Diwali after that every single day. And I'm waiting for you all. I will do my best to make you understand. I'm telling you, many people ask me, show me your trades. I'm showing you my members trade. I don't trade as much. Okay. I can show you my today's trade, but I don't trade much. This is one off day that I have traded, but I don't trade. I am a teacher. I'm a hardcore teacher. My concentration is on making my students understand. That is why I don't teach much. But each of these members are making money. So everybody has different mission. Some people my mission is to teach. And that is what I'm doing precisely. And that is what I'm advocating all the time, that you please learn. If you learn, your trades will be correct, and you will be never fooled by anybody in the stock market. You will be responsible for your money. You will be responsible for what's happening with your money. Where are you investing? Is that right parameters? Will your price be going up? So I did not get, scared when the HDFC Bank went down. One of the day HDFC Bank went down. I think the day before it went down. I was not scared. I was 100% sure. So what? We averaged it. Many of our members averaged it. We bought it at 21. It went down to 31. It went down to 13 rupees. People bought it again, another lot at 14 rupees. They have gained massive money. Massive money people have minted out of this one single call. We gave SRF. We gave many calls. Every single call, people have minted money. So this is what my, although I haven't taught you anything new, but still I'm sharing with you what kind of profits people have made. So just a sacrifice of few days, of a month, of 30,000 rupees, and then you will be able to recover it through the market. That guarantee I give. Nobody else, even those who charge 9 lakhs and 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs, they will also not give you that guarantee. They will leave at your own mercy. I am telling you, we will recover within no time, and you will be lifelong learn about market. Good day. Bye bye.